The second-generation BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe has arrived for 2025. The GC originally debuted as the four-door alternative to the standard 2 Series, riding on BMW's front-wheel drive platform. The updated sedan debuting today has a refreshed exterior design, a revamped cabin with the latest tech, and revised powertrains that make more horsepower. BMW has eschewed leather for most of the 2025 2 Series Gran Coupe lineup, now offering perforated Viganza or Alcantara trimming, but funnily enough, there is leather if you get the M Sport steering wheel with the M Sport package, but that's it. Heated sport seats are standard now, with optional massaging front seating with lumbar support. The sport steering wheel gets chrome trim with illuminated buttons. As with most other new BMW models, the 2 Series Gran Coupe adopts a giant dash-hogging screen that combines a 10.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a 10.7-inch touchscreen under the same piece of glass. The infotainment system uses BMW's latest iDrive 9 software, which includes extensive voice assist features as well as wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Every 2 GC now comes standard with desirable features such as a 12-speaker Harman Kardon stereo, cloud-based navigation, keyless entry, and wireless charging. The new car comes standard with some decent safety features, including frontal collision mitigation, lane keeping assistant, active blind spot detection, and speed limit info. For $500, you can option the Driving Assistance Plus package to gain distance control and steering assistant. Another optional Driving Assistance Professional package adds side collision protection, front and rear cross traffic warning, lane change assistant, and traffic jam assistant, which allows hands-free driving on select highways at speeds of up to 40 miles per hour while paying attention. The rear trunk is quite spacious for a compact sedan like BMW 2 Gran Coupe. An embossed number 2 highlights the Hofmeister kink, while squinty LED taillights frame the rear. Hofmeister window kink and flat taillights at the rear with bumper-integrated tailpipes. The new premium package lets you option a gloss-back contrasting roof panel against some of the 11 standard paint finishes, or you can do an individual color. An M Sport Professional package adds BMW Shadow Line lighting, a rear spoiler, and darker Shadow Line trim around the car.